Okay, great, great, great.
All right, so what I want to do is now there's already cell holes through them. What I want to do is try to get them all into one place.
And is the wind, is it going to make it difficult for them to figure out how to get back to right where you dumped most of them? Or?
No, their smell is 168 times more powerful than ours, which means that they can actually smell the queen probably over there by the shop.
Wow. Okay.
And since they've bonded with her,
Mm-hmm.
but they've not yet built any, they're basically going off of her comb. They don't have their own orientation yet.
Sure, sure.
All right, so there's still a lot.
Yeah, there's a lot in there. Do you ever worry about hurting them by shaking them too much?
I'd probably kill a few, but
Okay.
there's not much you can do about
Sure,
it.
sure, sure. Okay.
Once there's just stragglers,
Uh-huh.
I'll just give up,
You just like leave it off to the side and let them figure out how to get out?
and they'll figure it out.
Got it,
The
got
only
it.
thing I won't leave is I won't leave the
The food?
food.
Yeah, okay.
All right, so then what I'm going to do is I'm still going to notch out this fondant a little bit,
Uh-huh.
just because it's really hard. I actually got stung twice the next day when I was checking the hives.
Mm-hmm.
Because I squished a bee on the with my knuckle.
Oh no.
It's like, this is getting ridiculous.
No.
All right, so then I just squished a bee there. Where's our other two frames? Are they on the ground?